How to fix directions not available on Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna solve the issue of your directions not working on your maps. So let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, I want you to make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi network, because without any stable Wi-Fi network, your app AI will not be able to give you any directions, as it requires a very good internet connection for it to provide you directions while you are looking on maps. After that, if that doesn't fix your issue, then I want you to go to your settings. After that, go under locations. And under locations, make sure you have turned on the location option on. And here, go to app permissions. After going to apps, make sure you have allowed permissions on the Maps application and tapped on this allow all the time. And the next very important function called use precise location, make sure you have turned this option on. Even if this doesn't work, then just the very last option you have is to reinstall the application into your device, and that should fix your issue. So in this way, you can fix your directions not available on Android phone. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.